The Kovai Post, news delivered.
I like the idea of Dr. Ramachandran, who's the director of the GRD Institute of Management Studies, that if the Prime Minister could consider moving from celebrity appointments for Swachh Abhiyan now to involving education institution heads, the vice chancellors, the principals, the directors of the school, the headmasters, if they could become the link of the Swachh Abhiyan and they could pick it up, that means when you have one director, one principal, means thousands of people around them, behind them, with them, and they could take forward the Swachh Abhiyan, because Swachh Abhiyan is not just clean streets, it's also clean minds, it's healthy society, disease-free society, because pollution and dirt breeds diseases. Therefore, a Prime Minister's campaign now can be extended to the youth, the 500 million youth in this country who could drive this campaign of Swachh Abhiyan. I think it's a great idea which now we need to permeate and let it seep into every youth of this country through educational heads and educational leaders. Well, I returned to Coimbatore for 2-3 reasons. One is, of course, the GRD institution, which I've been associated with them as a visiting faculty almost every year. It's like a visit faculty. Secondly is, and also my long association with Dr. Ramachandran. I like reaching out to his students. And they also support our foundation, of Jyoti India Foundation, for educating our underprivileged and give them a seat to learn. So it's a very mutual feeling of supporting each other. I also regularly visit Isha Foundation because I learn so much from Sadhguruji. I listen to him, I read about him, and I'm certainly looking forward to more blessings from him. So Isha Foundation is the second reason. Third reason is other donors we have who support our Navjyoti India Foundation, be it Rotary Club, be it some schools, be it some other education institutions. They've been our donors, and it is like an annual visit to revive and express our gratitude to the donors. So it's more than one reason that brings me back to Coimbatore almost every year. Well, I like the idea, sir, the Kovai Post. So I congratulate the Kovai Post. It's an online portal, I believe the only one of its kind in Coimbatore. I wish it a great success. I bet it's a startup, and I want this to succeed and make it great, because people are reading a lot online and there's so much of dissemination information. So I wish the Kovai Post online portal the very best.